In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Outlook account with a pre-existing Gmail. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. This will work both on mobile devices and on a desktop. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up Outlook account creation just like so. Then go to the official signup.live.com website right over here. Then it is going to take you to a site that looks like this. Now, what you want to do if you never made a Outlook or a Microsoft account before, what you want to do is you want to select on create an account. And the way it works is that you need a Microsoft account in order to use Outlook. So guys, if you don't have a Microsoft account already, then go ahead and press on create account just like so. You could use a pre-existing Gmail address that you already do have, and you just want to go ahead and enter it here. So I'm going to enter in a Gmail address really quickly. All right, then go ahead and press on next once you entered in the email. And then you will need to verify your email. So it is going to send you a code to that email address. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter it in. So please check your inbox. And if you don't see it, check your spam folder. But then you should see a code and then you just want to enter it here. Make sure you are fast with it. Okay, then afterwards, what you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and input your country and also your date of birth and stuff like that. So I was born all the way back in the Stone Age, back in 2004. Yes, guys, I am now a certified UNC. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my birthday. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on next. Then enter in your name. So I'm just going to enter it really quickly. So Fry and then Bry Extra right over here. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on next just like so. Okay, then it is going to give you a quick note about your account. Go ahead and press on OK right over here. Then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and type in your computer password. Sometimes it asks you to do that, so please make sure to go ahead and do that. Then it is going to create a passkey. Then go ahead and press on OK. Okay, now sometimes you might get something that looks like this that says you have a pending security action. So you will need to add your phone number. So just go ahead and press on add now right over here. Then you will need to go ahead and sign in. All right, and then afterwards, it is going to go ahead and create your Microsoft account. So here it is. Then afterwards, all you need to do is open up another tab and then look up Outlook login right over here. Then select on Outlook login right over here. Then go ahead and press on sign in. So before you actually are able to use Outlook, you will need to create an Outlook.com email address to continue. So let's go ahead and make one right over here. So I'm just going to be calling it how to now video example. All right, then after you made your Outlook login, go ahead and press on next. All right, and then afterwards, it is now going to log you into Outlook. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.